Today we're diving into Haven Beck, an online store that's been gaining some attention. But is it really worth your time and money? Let's explore what they offer and whether it's safe to shop here. Haven Beck presents itself as a trendy online retail destination, offering a curated selection of fashion items, home decor, and accessories. The layout is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to browse through their collections. They seem to cater primarily to a younger audience looking for stylish yet affordable options. However, while the variety is appealing, there's something that feels a bit off. For instance, product descriptions are often vague, lacking detailed information about materials or sizing, which could be a concern for buyers who prefer transparency. Additionally, the site doesn't provide a lot of customer reviews or testimonials, leaving potential shoppers in the dark about the quality of the products. Overall, while the aesthetic is inviting, it's essential to dig a little deeper before making a purchase. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Haven Beck has a visually appealing website and a diverse range of products that could catch the eye of trendy shoppers. The prices are generally reasonable, making it accessible for many. However, there are notable downsides. The lack of detailed product information and customer reviews raises some red flags about trustworthiness. Additionally, shipping policies aren't clearly outlined, which could lead to surprises at checkout. For those who prioritize transparency and detailed product insights, this might not be the best fit. If you're someone who values a well-rounded shopping experience with clear information, you might want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, Haven Beck could be worth a try if you're drawn to their style and aren't overly concerned about missing details. However, if you prefer a shopping experience that offers more transparency and customer feedback, you might want to explore other options. It's a gamble, so proceed with caution.